The Nothing Phone 3 has officially been announced by Carl Pei, showcasing a complete redesign and numerous upgrades in a post on his X account, formerly known as Twitter. This latest model boasts improvements in design, display, processor, battery, and camera capabilities, including a high-end Sony camera sensor. Let's take a look at what the future holds for the Nothing Phone 3. Firstly, the most noticeable change is in the design. According to rumors, the Nothing Phone 3 adopts a camera setup similar to the iPhone, featuring 3 camera sensors arranged in a triangular configuration on the back. This new layout, positioned on the top left of the device, adds a stylish and modern touch. There are also rumors that the Nothing Phone 3 might feature 3 camera lenses arranged horizontally at the top of the back panel. However, Nothing has not confirmed any details, so the final design may change. By the way, which design would you prefer? Do you favor the iPhone-like triangular camera layout, which some say resembles a fidget spinner, or the horizontally placed camera design? Let us know in the comments. Moving ahead, Carl Pei revealed the interface of Nothing OS 3 on his X account, creating excitement among tech enthusiasts. The images shows an action button below the power button on the right side, similar to the iPhone 16. Additionally, the phone's bezel is significantly thinner compared to the Nothing Phone 2. The glyph light might also get a complete redesign. Furthermore, the display might remain similar to the Nothing Phone 2, featuring an LTPO OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and 1600 nits of peak brightness. However, there is a possibility of an increase in peak brightness to 2000 nits, which will enhance the user experience in daylight conditions. Under the hood, the Nothing Phone 3 might be powered by either the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 processor or 8 Gen 3 processor, paired with 8GB or 12GB of RAM, offering superior gaming performance compared to its predecessor. The battery is expected to be around 5,000 mAh, with 50-watt fast charging support, 15-watt wireless charging, and 5-watt reverse charging capabilities. In terms of photography, the Nothing Phone 3 is rumored to be equipped with 3 rear cameras, a 64MP main sensor, a 50MP telephoto lens, and a 50MP ultra-wide lens. All cameras will utilize Sony's latest sensors, promising high-quality photos comparable to those taken with iPhones and Samsung devices. The selfie camera could also feature a 50-megapixel sensor. Carl Pei also hinted at significant AI integration in the Nothing Phone 3, aiming to match the advancements seen in Samsung and Apple devices. This focus on AI has led to the release being postponed to 2025. Carl Pei talked about the post-app world experience. One AI feature that everybody is talking about right now is a widget called News Reporter. This widget is powered by artificial intelligence and available by default on the newly launched Phone 2a Plus, all Nothing smartphones, and the CMF Phone 1. The widget plays a news bulletin summarized by AI. When you tap the widget, a summarized news report is read out by the synthesized voice of Tim Holbrook, the company's chief financial officer. Such AI features would definitely make Nothing Phone 3 a game-changer device for the company. The estimated price for the Nothing Phone 3 is rumored to be around $700. This information is based completely on leaks and rumors, but some are officially teased by the CEO of the company on his X account formerly known as Twitter. So to get the exact figures, we have to wait until the official launch of the device. For more details, check out my other videos on this topic. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay ahead of the curve. Also, let us know your thoughts on the latest developments in the comments section below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.